Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like a moon. Tap on this icon, and here we have the Do Not Disturb mode settings, and we have options like turn on, timing on, and turn off. If the option turn off is selected, the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. If you select turn on, it's gonna be enabled until you turn it off. And if you select option timing on, you can basically set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So if you select this option, now the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on automatically at 10 p.m. and turn off automatically at 8 a.m. And you can customize this time by tapping on this arrow next to the timing option. Timing on, tap on the arrow, and now we can customize the timing by swiping up and down on the screen. First we have a start time, so let's set it to something like maybe 10:30 p.m. It's gonna take some time. Okay. Then tap the arrow to continue. Oh, my bad. 10:30. And here we can set up the end time basically, and do the same, basically swipe up and down on the screen to set up the time. I'm gonna set it to 6 a.m. and then tap the check mark. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will turn on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turn off at 6 a.m. And of course, to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on turn off, and then press the side button to go back. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.